Okay, so first of all, let me clarify why Unity Biotechnology is such an important company in this space. For many, many, many years, there has been a lot of interest in companies that are trying to bring aging under some kind of medical control. But everything that has happened in the past has been about slowing aging down. Unity are the very first company whose focus is on actually reversing aging, on repairing the damage of aging. Now, my work, starting from 20 years ago, has focused on the idea that reversing aging, repairing the damage of aging, may actually be easier than slowing aging down. Now, it is easy to persuade people that, in principle, reversing aging would be far better than just slowing aging down, but it's been very hard to persuade people that it is possible. So all I could do 20 years ago was to give arguments, to give logic. But what Unity set out to do was to provide data. And even before they had data, or when they only had data from mice, they were still able to raise a huge amount of money. And that's good, but it also gave us a potential problem. Because if that money ended up being lost, then, the whole idea could be set back. So, this first clinical trial that Unity did was incredibly important. It was a phase 1 trial, and that means that it was supposed to be looking only at whether its drug was safe, not whether it was working. But, as often happens, they did look at whether it was working, and it turns out that they got really good results. So I believe that the results that were announced just last week from this trial will be a huge step forward for rejuvenation biotechnology in general and for the medical control of human aging.